This is the new 2025 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter trim, the most overland-ready 4Runner to ever exist. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video. And we had the introduction of the new 2025 Toyota 4Runner, and fans are no doubt hyped to see that Toyota's new Trailhunter trim made the lineup as well. First introduced on the new Tacoma, the new Trailhunter badge denotes a package developed for overlanding. This isn't merely a minor lift kit with fancy badging, it's much more. Just as the case with the Tacoma, Toyota partnered with various third-party aftermarket brands to equip the Trailhunter. For instance, it features 2.5-inch forged shocks with external piggyback remote reservoirs from Man Emu. They're position sensitive and tuned specifically for overlanding. Notably, the OME shocks also help lift the 4Runner by 2 inches at the front and by 1.5 inches at the rear, so that it can be comfortably fit to 33-inch Toyo Open Country AT tires. Now, rock trails and high-strength skid plates are also standard on every Trailhunter. They might not sound like much, but in serious off-road situations, they'll save the body and vitals of the 4Runner time and time again. Now, speaking of the body, the Trailhunter does get a bit of fancy exterior design, like the grille, which is what Toyota calls a heritage design and features bronze lettering. An integrated 20-inch LED light bar blends the more classic cues with the modern-day overland technology, and a pair of color-selectable rigid LED fog lights finish off the front lighting treatment. Now, ABR includes a jointly redesigned 4Runner-specific roof rack on the Trailhunter as well. The SUV itself has a few unique changes thanks to Toyota too. The intake leverages a low-profile, high-mount design. A pair of outlets, one in the main cabin and one in the cargo area, take advantage of the 2400-watt AC inverter. And Toyota has also pre-wired several auxiliary switches into the control panel so that buyers can add additional accessories with ease after the fact. Now, the rear cargo area also features an onboard air compressor so that owners can air tires down and up as needed. And that's a thoughtful addition to an already very capable truck. The interior largely echoes what you would find on a Tacoma. Hard plastics make for a long life and easy to clean surfaces. A small portable JBL speaker that sits on top of the dashboard ready for deployment at any time. And underneath the center console, you'll find a small 4Runner Easter egg too, with a silhouette embossed in plastic. Finally, it's worth noting that the Trailhunter is only available with Toyota's iForce Max hybrid engine and 4-wheel drive. The 2.4-liter cylinder engine is also standard in the TRD Pro and Platinum trims and makes 326 horsepower, 243 kilowatts, and 465 pound-feet, 629 newton-meters of torque. As is the case with all 4Runners, the Trailhunter comes standard with an 8-speed automatic transmission. So with that said, are you guys happy that we have a Trailhunter 4Runner for the 2025 model year? Drop those comments down below. And if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. And we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.